In this video, I will show you how to build a dashboard like this in Excel. Here is human resources about some company, then the total employee, then percentage, then different departments of the genders, then here is department peoples, and here's age, here's different educations about different numbers and total educations. So here is a raw data here. So how can I change this raw data to this one to dashboard? So today's video I will show you one step and step here. Here is a table here. So here's a dashboard, is a blank dashboard. So we need to calculate this one. We need to build this one. So first one is to here to click the dark. You need to here select the dark here. So it's as a black total. So here is so 1A, we need to change here to white font. So here is total employee, YE employee. So here is equals to this centers equals. Then you got merges here. Here, merge this one. So click here to you need to delete maybe more. Okay, here's a title. Title is then we got T here to change percentage of the total employee here because male here. So merge cells, then change it to percentage doubles here, double click here, then it's equals to here. Then we got here sometimes it's female, then it's a title, like title something words. Okay, title. Then here is the employers. So we charge employer, check this one and insert columns here. So Control X to here, and the department we change this one to insert columns chart. That's bar chart. Control X here is bar chart, and the sales we need to go here to sales to insert. Then insert this one was to hand here. Control X, Control V to move here. Control X, Control V to move here. Control X, Control C, Control V here. So we got list 4, 1, and press S, Control X here, Control V. Then we got a 5 or 4 managers here. So I will adjust later. So at first we need to copy all the words here. Manager, sales, finance, and then we are sales managers, finance, and then we need to add IT here to insert. Then Control X. Then we got here. So the next one is age. We change here. Okay, insert. Double click here. Age here. Then the high school. Then educations here. We need to change here to okay, it's male. Control X, then Control V, then we need to press a wiggle bar here, choose here, and choose here to insert to this one, Ctrl X. So here's male, here's a female. Then the last one is the total males here to insert to here. Okay, so now here is chart. Data bar chart here, Ctrl X here. So we got all the charts. So how can I to this one to change the styles? Double click here with node plus with here chart titles edit and index edit, and we need to horizon here. So in the front field strip with no field, then click the column fill with a light one, double click here, and we need to change white data, and here we need to do a data label, double click, we need to press employee here. So here's the one, and we need to find here strip outlines with a light one. So we got a sales. In the keyboards you need to Alt here, hold Alt, then it will be a region to the cells here. So here is a two-step here, so we need to release 1, 2. So chart title, okay, but delete with no shape out. Here we got 1120 14 here, department, and we can choose more bigger than data labels here, and we need to shape here this one. Okay, here we need to shape 2. Then we got a second chart. Then here we need to insert something. Ctrl X, Ctrl X, Ctrl X here, Ctrl here. Then we need to adjust all the titles and let it go. You need to press Alt here always. So it's needed to insert 2. So insert 2. So you got here. So is with chart with no shape, no fill. Then you got this shape line here. Click here. We need to click one by one. Okay. So we click here to home, click here to sales, here. So yes, percentage delete. So click the chart, delete here, click the chart, then format it with delete here with no outlines. So we got this one. So how double click here, so change this one. You may change this one to a shape size like this one. here, click here, it's too dark, so we can choose this one. Okay, we click here, double click, then you will got a second one. Then we got here, we got meals, and we need 2% here, data labels. Data labels, double click here, so delete lead line here, brush, oh small, here is data labels. So it's 20, it's 20, so we got 20 here, we got data labels here, and we got 20, and delete this one. Delete this one. We move here to the century and change to the 20 here. Here is the percentage here, so it's the last one. We need to push here to ALT. So we may get, here is no titles, delete here, and we need to change no field, then choose the chart with this one, chart with this one, so here manage this 20, line white, maybe small, so delete here, so here's white is 12, select 12, and select 12 with white dress, select 12 is 21 here, so we got this one, and to stabilize to here. So we need to change stabilize. Okay, last one, we need to go here and females here. Okay, so we change, double click here to his resources here. So we delete X, we delete X2. So we need to press. So here is node merger, node outlines, light here, and with node get line. So here we change. We need to change here to more options. Then we need to key here to outline, like this one outline. Okay, and we got a line here, so we delete this one. We delete this one. So here we merge here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we equals to this one, equals to this one. So you got here, we to change here, so delete, so go up, and we need to more and wipe to delete. Yeah. Okay, double click here to 15, enter. So we got the data here, so we need to move down here, and we got, so in these titles we need to remove here, just remove, then we make cells data labels, data labels, data labels, data labels. So we got here. So how we got this one with females? So we can opt steals with this one big, and the next one is too short to consent equals with. Here we got male, we find male enter, so we got a new one we make here, insert. So the males we need to change it to fields with a light one, and insert equals with female, enter. So we got this one. Okay, here we need to change to here. So we got this one to here too. Okay, so here we need to change to the orange color. Then we need to brush and here. So maybe it's too large. But we can change here. Submerge here. There's a male and the females. Okay. Yes, the last step is Ctrl X with a title here. Here we delete titles. You need to find a chart like this one to go here. Then Ctrl X to enter a text box here and anywhere, and press here to equal to this one to limit. Okay, so you need to brush, and so we got a long text here, and insert a text title here. So in these titles we need to space up here, double click, maybe change this, maybe change this one, double click here, and with shape fields, more fill colors, and we need to change here. Okay, then with not applies here, then insert text box here with human resources dashboard. Here, go, let it go, then you will got a here, so here's wheels, we need to check out headers. So here's human resources is new, here's old one. If help you, then take me.